Welcome back to Rock Crawling Jeeps. I know it has been a minute. We apologize. COVID happened, life happened. Dylan went to Maryland for 2 weeks. I've been doing triathlons, and
we also built a shop.
Yeah, we've been doing that thing too, which is where we're standing. So welcome to our new shop. This may not look familiar, but it's the same place that had wood floors that we were welding a set of 1-tons that looked really like those. That's weird. Yeah, somebody decided to take advantage of my goodwill and drop off another set of 1-tons and some trusses so we can use that little hot glue gun there and get them put together for a 5.9 Grand Cherokee that's going on some 1-tons. So we'll be taking care of those. I don't know if we'll film a whole lot on that. Just, you've already seen us do it. You already cut all the brackets off. It's not a whole lot to see, but we got this done. So check us out. This was, when I bought this house, a woodworking shop. It's 24 by 24, so it's not anything massive. But the goal was always to put in a garage door and to make it functional for my needs. So me and Dylan kind of got a wild hair and just decided to start tearing stuff out of here and getting things going. And so we cut out a wall. We did a 9-foot by 10-foot garage door. So this thing opens up nice and easy. And then you can have Jeeps and all that fun stuff outside. And we chose insulated because, well, it's 95 degrees outside today, and then it also gets to like 0 degrees in the winter. And I do have heat out here, and we're going to install air conditioning, but I've got the central vents and everything. So we'll keep this super nice pretty much year round. As soon as I get a condensing unit for the air conditioner, we'll actually have AC out here. But yeah, so we moved pretty much everything from the garage. Jack stands, jacks, press, welder. I already had this table, but it'll probably go away. And then we built out these workbenches. So we built them just high enough so the toolbox can sit underneath. And then we went out and bought this like 1950s storage deal. We still want to get another bolt bin, but that works for like little miscellaneous crap. It's mainly a catch-all, let's be real. And then we did Dylan's toolbox project, which led to a bunch of leftover matting. So that's great if we got to like put drive shafts down and beat on stuff. We're not really messing up our countertops. And then, you know, beer fridge is always essential. Some parts storage. A whole bunch of stuff there that we're looking forward to getting done. Again, that Mountain Vista Fab corner armor. Promise Brendan, I'm actually going to get that installed. So we just got a bunch of things to really work through there, and then, you know, who knows? We may actually hit the trails sometime this year. I don't know. Utah kind of seems like it opened up and then it's going to close up again. So who knows? We'll see how things go. But we did have the Jeeps outside, so we do still have them. I know it's weird, but so 1-ton grand, little TJ action. I just burnt my finger on his TJ because somebody had a sticking caliper, but we are live. We are doing things. We look forward to doing more here soon. It's with everything happening, I'm sure as everybody's seen, COVID has kind of played a weird role in changing things up for everyone. So we're adapting, we're trying to continue to do things, and we look forward to seeing you guys out on the trail. So we'll catch you next time.